Well, in Lok Sabha, when Akhilesh Yadav rose to spoke, he attacked the government on multiple fronts, from communal politics to their Faizabad defeat, to EVMs to even Agniveers. Watch how Akhilesh Yadav targeted the government in the Lok Sabha today.
अध्यक्ष महोदय, ईवीएम पे मुझे कल भी भरोसा नहीं था, आज भी नहीं भरोसा। मैं 80 की 80 सीट जीत जाऊं तब भी नहीं भरोसा। और मैंने अपने चुनाव में कहा था अध्यक्ष महोदय कि ईवीएम से जीत करके ईवीएम हटाने का काम करेंगे। न ईवीएम का मुद्दा मरा है, न जाएगा खत्म। जब तक ईवीएम नहीं हटेगी हम समाजवादी लोग उस बात पर अड़ग रहेंगे। ये इंडिया पीडीए की सोशल जस्टिस मुहिम की विक्ट्री है। 2024 का परिणाम हम इंडिया वालों के लिए जिम्मेदारी से भरा पैगाम भी है। और अगर हम यूं कहें अध्यक्ष महोदय कि 15 अगस्त 1947 अगर उपनिवेशिक राजनीति से आजादी का दिन था तो 4 जून 2024 देश के लिए सांप्रदायिक राजनीति से आजादी का दिन रहा। ये सांप्रदायिक राजनीति के अंत और सांप्रदायिक राजनीति की शुरुआत है। जहां सांप्रदायिक राजनीति का अंत हुआ है, वहीं सामुदायिक राजनीति की शुरुआत हुई है। सबसे अच्छी बात हुई ये है कि इस चुनाव में सांप्रदायिक राजनीति हमेशा के लिए हार हो गई है। राष्ट्रपति जी के भाषण में अग्निवीर को लेकर के जो चिंता विपक्ष की थी और देश के नौजवानों की थी, वो चिंता वैसी की वैसी बनी है। अध्यक्ष महोदय, मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं, मैं खुद मिलिट्री स्कूल से पढ़ा हूं। मेरे साथ के बहुत बड़े पैमाने पे लोग फौज में, मैंने समय समय पे जो मेरे साथ पढ़े जो सीनियर थे उनसे भी जानकारी हासिल की है। बड़े बड़े ऑफिसर्स से मैंने पूछा है, वो शायद आपको न बता पाए, लेकिन दबी जुबान में उन्होंने कहा है कि देश की सुरक्षा के साथ अग्निवीर जैसी व्यवस्था लागू करने से समझौता हो रहा है। अध्यक्ष महोदय, किसी भी देश की सबसे बड़ी प्राथमिकता अगर कोई है तो वो देश की सीमाओं की सुरक्षा है। अग्निवीर जैसी व्यवस्था से कभी संभव नहीं है। अध्यक्ष महोदय, हम अग्निवीर व्यवस्था को कभी स्वीकार नहीं कर सकते हैं। आज नहीं कल, कल नहीं बाद में, जब कभी भी सत्ता में इंडिया गठबंधन आएगा, अग्निवीर व्यवस्था हमेशा हमेशा के लिए खत्म हो जाएगी। अयोध्या की जीत भारत के परिपक्व मतदाता की लोकतांत्रिक समझ की जीत है। और हम तो अध्यक्ष महोदय यही सुनते आए हैं, होए वही जो राम रची राखा, ये है उसका फैसला। अध्यक्ष महोदय, होई वही जो राम रची राखा, ये है उसका फैसला। जिसकी लाठी में नहीं होती आवाज, जो करते थे किसी को लाने का दावा, वो हैं खुद किसी के सहारे के लाचार।
Well, let me go across to Shivani as well as Sabyasachi, who are joining us. Shivani, I'm going to come to you first. It's very interesting, the kind of words which are coming in. A lot of the comments which Rahul Gandhi made in his debut speech at the Lok Sabha may have been expunged, but clearly the opposition is very relentless. Be it what Rahul Gandhi says, coming out and saying that the truth cannot be expunged. Now you have Akhilesh Yadav. So their attacks, they've made it very clear, will continue. But the big thing will be, how will the Prime Minister react to all these attacks later today?
Meghna, it will be very interesting to see what Prime Minister speaks today in his address in the floor in the Parliament, and he will be definitely countering what as LOP Rahul Gandhi has been saying, and right from Hinduism to RSS to Agnipath scheme, and also putting out allegations on the government for a number of schemes which there are no facts for, and that's why these mentions have already been expunged from the records of the Parliament. And what Akhilesh Yadav said, with a lot of sher-o-shairi taking a a jibe at the BJP for the loss in Ayodhya. Especially, he says that hoye wahi jo Ram rachi rakha, and he also congratulated the mature voters of Ayodhya and Faizabad for their decision. So he has raised a number of issues, including the NEET, the paper leak. He has raised the issue of inflation, Agnipath scheme. He says that he also comes from a Sainik school, and he has a number of people within the forces, and they have been telling him how this scheme is not good for the security of the country. So he has raised a number of questions. He's also said that EVM he does not rely upon, even if he would have won 80 seats, and if he'll win 80 seats ever in UP, then also he will not rely upon them. They have to go. That is what he repeated once again. And whatever Rahul Gandhi was trying to say, though, it all went out of hand after his remarks on Hinduism. Today, relevantly, Akhilesh Yadav had raised those points. He has asked questions to the government, and we have to see what Prime Minister will be saying. He will definitely be countering Rahul Gandhi. He will definitely raise issues, how Congress has been putting out allegations and the India bloc has been confusing people with the with misinformation, especially about the schemes like Agnipath scheme. And earlier in the day, Meghna, there was a parliamentary party meeting of the NDA where Prime Minister, once again, he has told the MPs specifically to maintain the grace of the chair, to maintain the sanctity and behave properly. And he also indicated how Rahul Gandhi yesterday was behaving in the parliament. He has said that MPs from the BJP and the NDA alliance should not behave in that manner. So specifically, he has pointed out already, he set the stage for the day. And when around 4 and 4:30 he'll be speaking, it will be definitely a long address, a first-time address in the parliament after his win. And he will be speaking on all the points that have been raised by Rahul Gandhi, and he will be countering them one by one in the same style which we've seen him speaking about previously too.
Well, that's going to be